Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about vesicular changes. So, what is the vesicular changes and which type of changes are occur in the blood vessels is known as the vesicular changes. Means alteration in the vessel calibrating result. So, vesicular changes means alteration in the blood vessels is known as the vesicular changes. So, alteration in the blood vessels caliber result in the increase the blood flow. So increase the blood flow means is known as the vasodilation. Increase the blood flow is known as the vasodilation, and as well as structural changes that permit plasma protein structural permits plasma proteins to leave the to leave the circulation to leave the circulation. So alteration in the blood vessels alteration in the blood vessels is known as the vascular changes. In here, which changes means increases the blood flow means vasodilation, and structurally changes blood flow changes. So in case of structural changes, the permits the plasma proteins are leave from the circulation. Plasma proteins are leave from the circulation means, for example, this is the blood vessel. In here, different types of plasma proteins are presented in the circulation. It from here leave from here. So leave from the circulation. So the main changes in the response. So what happened in here? Response changes to tissue injury. So which type of changes are occur in the vesicular changes? Mainly two types. Number one is the hemodynamic changes. Hemodynamic changes and changes in the vesicular permeability. Changes in the vesicular permeability. Changes in the vesicular permeability hemodynamically. So first of all, we will discuss about the hemodynamic changes. So hemodynamic changes means, so what happened in the body? First one, transits the vasoconstriction of arteries. Transient vasoconstriction of arteries. Vasoconstriction of arteries. And the next one, persistent progressive vasodilation of arterioles to lesser extent only. Persistent progressive vasodilation. Here vasoconstriction, here vasodilation of arterioles. So to lesser extent. And number 3, evaluation of the local hydrostatic pressure also. First of all, elevation of local hydrostatic pressure. And the next one, and slowing the microcirculation. Slowing microcirculation. And the next one, leukocytic margination occur. So this is hemodynamic changes. So due to these changes, vesiculars also changes, blood vessels also changes. And the next one is changes in the vesicular permeability. vascular permeability. What are their vesicular permeability? Means first one is maintenance of the fluid balance. Maintenance of fluid balance in the body. Fluid balance in the body. Two opposing sets of the force in the normal circumstance. So how to maintain? By the hydrostatic pressure and osmotic pressure. So it is maintained by the hydrostatic and osmotic pressure. Hydrostatic and osmotic pressure. And the next one, release of histamines. Release of histamines, bradykinin and other chemical mediators also, and other chemical mediators also. And the next one, direct injury to endothelial cells cause the cell necrosis. So direct injury to endothelial cells. So which cells? Endothelial causing cells only. Endothelial causing cells. So it form the endothelial cause the cells are form the necrosis. So the necrosis and formation of the, and the next one, formation of the thrombosis leading. So the thrombosis leading occur in our body. Then after, first of all, direct injury to endothelial cells. This cause the cell necrosis causes. Okay. So it injury causes the endothelial cell necrosis causes. The cell necrosis formation of the thrombocytes leading. What happened with the thrombocytes leading? Increase the vesicular permeation. So any examples for this particular vesicular permeation is the example is thermal injury, and the next one, infections, radiations. These are all are example for the vesicular changes. So in our body vesicular changes, these types of activities are occur in our body. So this is about vesicular changes. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we'll discuss. Thank you.